In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply strike-through formatting to your text in a document. Whether you want to cross out certain parts of your text for editing purposes or simply add a visual element to your work, knowing how to quickly apply a strike-through can be incredibly handy. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel confident using this formatting feature whenever you need it. First, you need to select the text that you want to strike through. If you have just a small section or a single word to focus on, simply click and drag your mouse cursor over that specific area. On the other hand, if your goal is to strike through the entire document, then pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard is the quickest way to ensure everything is selected in one go. This selection step is crucial because applying any kind of text formatting, including strike-through, requires you to know exactly which parts of your text you want to affect. Once you have your text selected, the next step is to apply the strike-through effect. To do this, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your application window. You'll notice several tabs running along the top, and for this task, you'll want to click on the Home tab. This tab houses most of the basic text formatting options, making it the go-to place for altering your document's appearance. With the Home tab open, look for the font group, where you'll find a series of icons representing different text features. Here, you'll spot the strike-through button, which looks like ABC with a line through it. Clicking on this button will immediately apply a line through any text you have highlighted. It's really that simple. Now, a little tip here. If you decide that the strike-through effect isn't necessary, or you applied it by mistake, don't worry. You can easily remove the strike-through by selecting the same text and clicking the strike-through button again. This toggles the effect on and off, giving you full control over your document's appearance. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to manage and manipulate text formatting efficiently. This skill can be useful in various scenarios, from revising drafts to creating visually intriguing presentations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your document editing skills.